welcome to the Walk with Al. Today, we was getting ready to take off, and I looked down, and my grandson had lost his knife about a month or so back, and couldn't find it. And it was his grandpa's knife, and then his dad passed it down to him. He was tore up. Well, we found it. He don't know it yet. We're gonna clean this thing up and get some of this mud off and see what kind of shape it's in. Now, cases tend to rust up real fast, and this is an older case, XX. And we're gonna clean it up, and we'll keep you posted and see if we can get this thing back to a usable shape. And hey, we'll keep you posted on this, and hopefully we can surprise him with his knife back in better shape than this. Okay, so I got to get out of here, so I'll keep you posted. Now this is a couple hours in. We finally got it opening and closing again. So that parts are working pretty good, but it really done some damage to those blades, and they're real rough. But I think I can take care of it, no problem. I've worked on a lot of knives, and I think I can get this cleaned up. But like I say, we're going to surprise him with this knife when we get it all done. And I just kind of giving you an update. I think we're going to be able to salvage it back to usable knife, and he can put it back in his collection. And I think he's going to be real excited about this. So we thought we'd tell you. Thank y'all. And I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, we're back out in the shop, and we're going to try to finish cleaning up my grandson's knife that he lost a month or so back. We got it looking pretty good, but now we're going to buff him on down, and then we're actually going to give it to him, and we want to see his expression on his face when he finally he realized he still got his papaw's knife. And so, hey, I've got to get out of here. Hey guys, we finally got it buffed down. I hope you can see this. It's getting kind of late. It turned out great. I mean, compared to what it was, I mean, it was in pretty rough shape. My daughter's having construction work done out there, and someone had run over top of it and kind of boogered up the handle a little bit, but we've got it out. If you didn't know it, you couldn't tell it. So, hey, it cleaned up well. I mean, it's got a few pits on it, and I'm not for sure that some of these wasn't already in there, but now we've got it cleaned up good, and we're going to give it to him, and I know he's going to be happy to have his papaw's knife back. It was passed down to his dad. So, hey, we're going to present it to him a little bit later, and this is like 6 hours in, and we finally got it done. So, hey, I've got to go. We'll watch when he gets his knife for his reactions, okay? So don't miss that. We'll see you later. Okay guys, we're out here, and we're waiting on my grandson to get here. We're gonna show him his knife after it's been finished and presented to him. So he's on his way, and can't wait to see his expression when he finally finds out his papaw knife still around, okay? So yeah, let's do this. Hey, big guy. Huh? Got something I want to show you.
Hey, what's this?
Do you recognize that?
I do.
Huh?
Yeah, I do. I think. Isn't this your pocket knife?
No, that's not mine.
Oh, this is the one I lost?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Papaw.
Oh.
I was looking everywhere for that.
Yeah. that at?
Where?
Buried up in the mud over there.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's been several cars run up. I picked that. It was had booger place on a handle. We got that out and it chunks out of it.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah. Watch it short now.
Okay. Well, thank you, Papa.
Go.
Oh, love you too.
Hey, you got your papaw knife back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.